Alright, welcome to another trade recap, guys. Today I had a pretty bullish bias. I know we're rejecting off this daily fair value gap, but we already we dumped a lot overnight. We swept some liquidity, and I think we were like beginning to reject off of this 4 hour fair value gap as well too. So I just thought we were gonna see price go higher because we already did a lot of dumping, especially last week. So I was trying to see price move up, and I think that's what we did. So let me skip to market open. So we dumped really hard off of market open, like right when it opened, which is pretty normal, I guess. Like I kind of expected something like that to happen. So it dumped right here, and then so I was just waiting for like a change in state of delivery and like an inversion of a fair value gap. And let me see. That's all right. So on the 1 minute, we did get that CISD right here, but then as soon as we like price just shot up, like maybe I'll just start taking these trades when price just moves like super fast because every time it does that, it just keeps going up or it keeps going down, and like I just can't get an entry. So I saw a CISD. I knew I wanted to take a long up to like true day open or some like these highs, and like that would have just ended my trading day with like my maximum like profit target like 1500. But I never got an entry because I try to look for a retrace just in case it kind of like after a CISD or an inversion, it usually tends to. Yeah, see, we got an inversion right here as well. It tends to come back down. But like recently, like I think today and last Friday, I missed like the big moves because I waited for a retracement, which I might still do, but like it's kind of making me think about it a little bit because it's just been leaving me behind recently. So it just, you see, I set a limit at the opening price, or I could have also just set it like at this fair value gap right over here. But I just never got a retrace. Like it just moved up. There were like tiny retraces, but like there was no confluences for those retracements. Like it was just like a small move down and then it just kept rallying up. So I think I tried taking a short here. I don't know. Wait, I don't know why I took a short here. Oh, it's because I saw a CISD and I tried pulling a fib level at the point 0.7. This was just a stupid trade. I know I talked like yesterday's video. I talked about this, but I keep making the same mistakes. I'm really trying to learn from these mistakes, but it's just hard sometimes. Like my mind's kind of in a mess right now too. Um, it's no excuse, but yeah. So I just got stopped out of that trade. It was a bad trade. I should not have taken it. We still had some more targets up higher, so I should have just let it keep running up. And then it reversed over here. I saw it moving up towards this level, the true day open. It was like one of my key levels, and then there was also a 5 minute order block right here that lined up with this. So I was like pretty confident that it would hit it, but it reversed below hitting my limit. So it's unfortunate, but you know, I couldn't find an entry on this move down either. So like, I don't know. I just missed that move down too. And then later, here, wait, let me go over to this tab. Yeah, so like price after that, um, I took some more trades. You can see I just lost them all because I saw like 10 a.m. open. We didn't really have any manipulation higher, so I kind of wanted us to I wanted this to be the manipulation and us to go higher after that. But we're still down here, but like back at like around this area, I wanted to see an inversion, and then I wanted to see us rally up above the 10 a.m. open because I wanted this to be the manipulation. So we got that inverse, but there was another fair value gap here that we were kind of reacting off of. I think price isn't really doing what I expected today. I should have just taken it as an improbable day and gotten off the charts, but I mean, as you can see, I need to get better at following what I should do because I didn't do that and I ended up losing a little bit more money because I think I set up a long position like around here, yeah, like right here. But like I got entered like over here. I put my stop, like, I think I took two trades. I took one here and I tried entering again off of this wick, which was like, I mean, like, I'll just really, I really hope that price would just go up. Like, I had a really good feeling, and like, we have no manipulation above 10 a.m. open, so like, there shouldn't be a reason why it's not going up. But some days it's just like that. And it's Monday, no news Monday. Government just reopened, so I mean, like, I don't know. I just shouldn't have like expected too much out of today. So I try to, take this. I mean, I wouldn't have able to do this because consistency rule, but I would have like aimed like somewhere over here. But yeah, I got stopped out of that trade, and now it's like kind of chopping around right now. So I think, I think if it wasn't for recording this video and trying not to disappoint you guys by blowing all my accounts, I mean, if I wasn't making this video, I probably would have ended up blowing my accounts. But that's why I started this, so I can kind of, you know, control myself and stick to my rules. But that's all for this video. Hopefully tomorrow's a little better. There's also no news tomorrow either, and we have some big news coming up this week. So I'm just gonna try to be more careful, be more patient, and more strict about my setups, knowing that like it's probably not gonna be the best probability leading up to those news days. Like it's gonna be like kind of choppy, maybe some accumulation until those news come out. But yeah, I mean, hopefully you guys won. Maybe you guys caught that move up. Maybe you guys caught that move down. I hope you guys did. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.